To download Coinbase on your desktop in 2025, start by going to the official Coinbase website. Type coinbase.com into your web browser and press enter. This will take you to the Coinbase homepage where you can find the download link. On the Coinbase homepage, click on the Get Started button. This will take you to a new page where you can choose to sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Since you are looking to download the desktop application, click on the Login button and enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create a new account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you can proceed to the next step. After logging into your account, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to a new page with a list of options. Click on the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. In the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Desktop app link. This will take you to a new page where you can download the Coinbase desktop application. Click on the Download button to start the download process. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install the application. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions and choose a location to install the application. After the installation is complete, you can launch the Coinbase desktop application and log into your account. You will need to enter your email address and password to access your account. The Coinbase desktop application provides a secure and easy way to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. You can use it to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, as well as monitor your account balance and transaction history. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your password and account information confidential. It is also a good idea to keep your computer and application up to date with the latest security patches and updates. By following these steps, you can easily download and install the Coinbase desktop application on your computer. The application is available for both Windows and Mac operating systems, and it provides a convenient and secure way to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio.